Hi guys, welcome you all. This is me Venkat and welcome you all to Fishes Academy. And today we are going to install and set up R and R Studio. And now let's get into the topic. And first, let's solve the difference between R and R Studio. Actually, R is a programming language and programming language used for statistical and computing, while RStudio uses R language and its type of IDE. The full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment, and this RStudio allows user to develop and edit programs in R by supporting a large number of statistical packages, and it is easy to code, while R is not that much easy as compared to RStudio. And now I think you are clear what is the difference between R and RStudio. And now let's start installing R and RStudio. First, go to R. This is the link for RStudio, and both Mac and Windows users don't need to worry because both have the same website. Here, first, before installing RStudio, you should install R. So R download, sorry, here there are two options. One is R download for Windows and R download for Mac also. And actually both have the same one website, cran.r-project.org, but here the OS differs. Actually for Mac OS it's a different ideology, and here in binaries for distribution, etc. First then you just go over here, download, and after you enter the site, then install R for first time, then you can install download R, then it will start download over in the bottom over here. And actually after, and over here we just install R, and over here give open, and after this it will ask you some permissions like you should give yes for all, and here there are many languages and you can choose whatever language you want. I just choose English, okay. And now you just give here next, and then R 3.6.3, and then next, and already I have installed, so yeah, okay. And here actually this is a 64-bit one, so I am just recommending for myself for 64-bit files. And yeah, okay. And not accept defaults, and if you are good at data science and you want to customize yourself, you can, but I am not good at that much, and so I'm just giving not accept default, and then now give yes, and create a desktop shortcut whether you want. And if you want to create a quick launch shortcut, you can, but I think it's not needed. And again give yes, and the installation might be depend upon the speed of the computer. Actually my computer, it had take 30 seconds, and it depends on your computer. And now let's give finish, and over here then that's all. And here there comes R 64-bit 3.6.3, and that's all. And now let's download RStudio. As I said, go to RStudio and now choose your version. Actually, as my preference, if you are a freelancer or if you are a data scientist as a beginner, then choose RStudio desktop free. Okay, that what I'm gonna download. But if you are a RStudio and you are gonna work with it forever, then you can choose RStudio server for 5%. And if you are running a startup, then you can also select the same one. And as I said, you should install one for before installing this RStudio desktop, and yeah, also run it. And it's been installing. It may take a while. And just and now over here our studio is being installed, and we should give open us, and it will ask for some other options also. And then next then as same, there are many there are many folders where you want to place this, and many names where you have to upload in the start menu. And I am giving you guys a name RStudio, which you can also keep, and I'm just giving RStudio 1 because I have already installed it. It will take some time. I will see you after finishing. And before that, I got an idea, and I'm gonna seek you guys the basics of R. And opening this R, here this is the command print of R, and over here R console, this is R console. And here 6 plus 6, if you give actually 6 plus 6, okay, 12. And like this, 6 minus 2, 4. These are basic scorings in common with both Python and R. And you can also do division over here. Actually you will not use this symbol, because if you use this symbol, it might not work in division. You can use this symbol, which will allow you to get the answer. And 6 minus, okay, multiplication is also applicable over here, as I don't wanna say what is that. Okay, it is applicable. And all basic division, addition, subtraction, multiplication are applicable. And you can expand these, and here file, edit, view, my MISC, packages, windows, and help. And over here we can load packages like arccmdr, etc, rcmdr, and other packages what I said basically. R command, that is okay. And by this time the setup is over, and now let's get into RStudio. Actually, as I said, RStudio is a IDE. Yes, the full form of IDE, as I said, is integrated development environment. And RStudio, okay, this is good. And you can also extract any types of data set like Excel, and these can be extracted by installing GUI, and this will be said in the next class. Until then, signing off, Venkat, and thank you and bye bye.